That's it, and wind. That's it, and lift. That's it.
Nice and easy.
You had to cast out a fair way there, Paul. So.
This is not on, fellas. I've been fishing here and burleying up here all day.
Cody, you're going to have to pull back out the way.
Take your time, bud.
Fuck. You bastard.
Gotta get a photo, Pom.
Chicken?
Pull him up.
Ready?
Over here. Get him over here. Good job, Jax. Well done.
I think he's having a bit of